can add more. You can continue to eat. I normally eat the whole day. After you finish, you can always keep this soup for another meal. Lunch and dinner, so you don't have to cook. Delicious. I dare you to have American hot pot. I would always say, eat whatever you can get. My grandmother always say, if you're so picky, one day you're gonna be starving to death. So appreciate what you have. So you put the vegetable in there too. You can always close the top. In today's world, especially 2021, due to current situation, we are locked down inside the house. This is a great way to be with your family. Hello, I'm Red. The reason I call American hot pot is because my American family, they love it. We often use hot pot to replace the traditional holiday meal. This is beef and this is pork, very thinly cut. You can always go to the Asian store, especially the Chinese supermarket, they will have those frozen, already cut. So it's very convenient, so you can use those. So we prepare something, then family members sit together, have a great time. So you can put the meat in first. That's the cow's stomach. That's the cow's stomach. That's the cow's stomach. So I will show you how to prepare. This is the, we call clear soup hot pot. Basically, you just put the salt and a little sugar and use chicken broth and ginger, onions, some other seasoning if you like to put. Then you make some meatball. You use this meatball and the mushroom to make this clear soup. This mushroom is more tough, so you can boil in it, they won't dissolve. Because if you put other more delicate mushroom, they disappear. So basically this is the mild, clear soup. You don't overeat it. This way you enjoy the atmosphere, you enjoy the ingredients, fresh ingredients. You don't consume the food as a product. You appreciate. Don't be hesitant to try anything. We can find all those common items in the supermarket. As long as you like it, you can work your own way to cook it. This is beef and this is a pork. And there's other thing is something special. I don't know if you ever tried. It's cow's stomach. It's very easy. You just need to wash it and slice it, and you can put in. And put in, let it boil for a longer time so they will be more tender, more chewable. The texture of the meat will be softer. I'm not gonna criticize anyone, but I do know some of my friends, especially some of my families, they don't eat anything dark meat. They eat white meat, anything weird, special, or exotic, they don't want to touch it. But I have to say this, we're in a critical time. Eat whatever you can get. So you don't have to eat very spicy. See, I prepare the individual sauces. This is more hot. Mild. Just sesame oil with soy sauce, vinegar, and some other seasonings. I'm eating the way I can find whatever things in the United States. So, American hot pot. There you go. Enjoy it. American hot pot.